So I'm here with my daughter Liza at Tio's Tacos in Riverside. Can you believe this place, Liza? What do you think?
It's pretty amazing. I mean, you had pointed out before every square inch, like all these bottles in the walls behind us, everything. The floor has shells in it.
There's skeletons buried in the ground. We won't ask,
No,
could be a crime scene, but I hope not.
I made an arrangement with Martin that you're going to be in here as well.
Nice.
Yeah.
I just love my father so much.
There's a wing. Oh my gosh. Beautiful.
Stop.
And when did you start Tio's Tacos?
Right here, I started right here in 1990.
1990. Okay. So and you got through COVID. You got through this period. Good for you. Was it hard? Was it hard to get through this period?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was difficult,
Yeah.
but our team is really good.
But
most
nice
of our
people.
team,
Yeah.
most of our team has been with us for over 20 years. When my parents started,
Wow.
so our team was by our side, and we all kind of got through it together. And
Yeah.
our community as well. When we opened, because we were actually closed for a couple of months.
Okay.
When we opened back up, our community just it showed that we were missed.
They were
yeah.
waiting in line.
Yeah, so we thank our community as well for always being so kind to us.
Oh, that's great to hear. Well, Kimberly and Martin Sanchez, thank you for this incredible, beautiful, beautiful Wonderland. You got to come to Riverside. Tio's Tacos will show you the information and great food. We just had the food, loved it. But come down and check it out.
Thank
we
you.
continue on our trip. Thank you, Martin.
Thank you for coming. Mi casa es su casa.
There we go. Pat Pattison, Best of California Award. Talk to you soon.